Hello YouTubers, my 25th birthday today, and I'll be showing you one of my presents. I just got one, but I'm getting something else within the week, and yeah, it's 25 now, so I'm gonna be an old ass motherfucker. Now I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll show you what I got for my birthday. Today we have a docking station for the iPhone 4 from Logic 3. I'll turn it on. From the brand Logic 3, and it's a nice little thing. Again, something else for within the week. So I'll let you hear this. And the sound is fucking amazing. I don't own the copyrights of this music, but before YouTubers going mad, I got a belonging up with it. Let's see what we got. It's got radio on it. It's got photos, weather. So that is really amazing, and I really love that. Time, calendar, 19 May, that's my birthday. The next is going to be 2014. This is time, calendar, weather, photo. Speaker, alarm. What alarm should I wake up volume? Gone. Nice. Wow, that sounds good. No, we ain't doing that, bitch. Cancel. Jesus, the song's good. I have an email. Let's see. Lightning Chase has uploaded a video. Now I hope you enjoyed this nice video for my birthday present, and see you again. And bye bye.